Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the alternate layout for this LifterLMS student dashboard provided by the Astra theme. So to show you what I'm talking about, let's head to the student dashboard, and you can see the tabs are displayed vertically here from Dashboard, My Courses, My Grades. Astra provides a code-free solution to align that vertically if you wish to have those aesthetics instead. So to start, you'll go to the customizer. Then we'll head down to layout, LifterLMS, general, and then down to my account. You can check this box, display tabs vertically, and now they're displayed vertically. That's pretty much it. The dashboard functions the same. It's just in this vertical layout. That's it for this video. Feel free to reach out with any suggestions or comments or questions down below, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.